let's paint. And I'll show you the colors we're going to be using. And I'll show you a layering technique as well that we can use to really bring out our painting and bring out the... What I have here is also the paint that I use mixed with glaze. It's pre-made. I use it in these little boats. And I have some colors that I always like to use. So you can also just pre-mix these. I always mix my colors so that we don't have any colors that come straight from the tube, because we make our own colors, and in that way you're making a more original painting. Okay? It's all about color. So I'm going to draw here where the dark, this is the last thing we did. Now I'm sure it's dry. Let's put some glaze on it. And remember, this will dry relatively clear. So we're just putting this on to add some depth. And yes. There we go. Coming to the bottom of my gel, so alright, and I'm gonna let this dry. Put the fan on it and let it dry, and then come back and we'll work some more on the brickwork. I'll show you how to do that. Sound good? Good. Just the gel. And now that it's all glazed, it has glaze on it, another layer. It's getting dark in here. Let's find some light. Let's get a light. For me, it's all about painting calm and serenity. It's about finding that peace, inner peace, a place where you can go where it's peaceful and gentle and yeah. There's something calming about bringing an indoor space, an outdoor space to life, where you can imagine yourself in a world where it's peaceful and tranquil. And I need to mix some more colors. They have gotten a little dried out, so let's get some more colors out. This has got a layer of the glaze. It's also called gel, and it's dried pretty well. The fan, which I left on, okay, there we go. The fan is off. But you can kind of see how the dimensions are coming out. I want to show you in a little while how to do the bricks, the garden, and accent the light. And we're going to get going with that as I get some new paint ready for us. Okay, and I'm glad you're here with me along for this adventure. I love this time of the evening, and the sky is so beautiful. And I have lights out there on Jim's sculpture. It's hard to see. You see it's from the dark leaves, and we'll go to the light. But we're going to just give an impression, so to speak, of the foliage. We're not going to draw each and every leaf. We don't want to do that. I was fortunate enough to see French Impressionist exhibit last week. That was at the Art Museum of Vero Beach. And it was just gorgeous with Cézanne, Monet, and so many others. And just looking and looking and looking really inspired me.